The MLA of East Shillong Constituency, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, had visited the VPP leader Ardent M Basaiawmoit on the fourth day of his indefinite hunger strike to request him to withdraw the same. Lyngdoh, who had responded to queries on her visit to the agitating VPP MLA, said that she had made a request for him to withdraw his agitation, as there is always room for talks. At the same time, she informed that her visit to him was on a personal level and also as a responsible citizen of the state.
And all party meeting, for us, we don't need to discuss the roster. We know what is roster. Strictly we want to discuss on this issue. Put on hold the roster, because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him, Suko. Very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees, once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then in second first thing at least the ratio should have been proportional of population structure.
I will look at all your
yes. The government was it has to be optional.
I'm worried.
It has to be optional. It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write? When I have come
No. Better you will write. I cannot simply take it like this. No? Optional, it has to be optional. It has to be in black and white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you then. How the government writes to us. How
then
the government looks at this agitation.
Bila yo snow nga one request si Ardent, one withdraw yung strike to me. Namar ba? Ikwa man yung kren, kami kampahan. Takatang doon ba nga one request si man smoke ha man withdraw no. Agitation to namar bang idon kam man yung kren. Lem da kating yung kren siya ay ngin yung boy sa binig suku. Mla.
Atau kalau belum mau ada kating suan man kerpat klem na kating tho.
Ngaday ka Emily, ngaday ka nung sinong. Kasnogan ka man ngalawan. Ngalale ila ka jog. Kajing hot ya isya kajing lang yin saya hot. Iwan tin lak man ya kran.
Jadi message of hot.
Message ni ngawan kum ka nung sinong. Ngawan kum ka Emily. Ngadan kajing sausi, kajing ba kli lang. Ngadan pa hak ka man. Request Mansuha withdraw ya ka agitation. Tangkat
Atau pinsa apa nang withdraw si Minister pwede pa kanina ban yusong
na saya kan ya ka ay ka banja nimla pa niya kren pa nga kermen bakan bed iwan ban pen bed
yung tap iwan pes na
personal kung kanong song kung kaway ni patay lang ba